Hi friends, thanks for joining me for this dinosaur story time. So I'm going to read the books. We'll use a couple of signs. It will be so fun. And today it's called How Do Dinosaurs Say Goodnight? Okay, and this is how it starts. Here's our first page. So, how does a dinosaur say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn out the lights? Does a dinosaur slam his tail and pout? Is that what the dinosaur does? Oh, goodness. Does he throw his teddy bear all about? I sure hope not. Oh. Does a dinosaur stomp his feet on the floor and shout, "I want to hear one book more"? Does a dinosaur roar? Oh, he's covered his ears. But how does a dinosaur say goodnight when Mama comes in to turn out the lights? Does he swing his neck from side to side? Does he up and demand a piggyback ride? Goodness sakes. Does he moan? Does he moan? Does he sulk? Does he sigh? Does he fall on top of the covers? Cry? No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. Why would they? They give a big kiss. They turn out the light. Oh, they tuck in their tails and they whisper, "Good night." Looks like he's puckering up for another kiss. Oh, they give a big hug. Then they give one kiss more. Oh, the last page says, "Good night. Good night, little dinosaur." Let's sign that part. Good night. Good night, little dinosaur. And now it's time for all dinosaurs to go to bed. Thanks for joining us. I hope that you loved this story. How do dinosaurs say goodnight? It was always a favorite in my household when my kids were younger. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it. I appreciate you being here.